Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at this Toyota Supra that I got today. So let's take a look at this Toyota Supra. I really love the red color, and this says RS on it, and it says Toro tires. I like the chrome wheels, very nice 5 spokes. There is no, what it's called, a spoiler on it. It has a very nice windshield. I like the Supra Toyota logo, and this is Supra right there. Very nice design. The doors open too. We can take a look at the inside. Oh, it is a basic one. The thing is not here. But yeah, very nice red color. I like the face of the car. It says the Toyota logo on there. Pretty funny face. Has the mouth there and the eyes. So yeah, let's take a look at the driver's side and let's pop it open. It looks kind of weird because I haven't done a video like this in a while. Tire doesn't move. It's like kind of like a road. Kind of goes all the way there. But very nice car. Nothing else to say about it. Very nice red cherry color. But yeah, guys, hope you have a good day. And yeah, bye.